Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. So it is Friday and Dani is like 3 hours away. We are out running errands right now. We have to go pay the Melco payment and I have to ship. I sold the hooping station, so I have to go ship that. I ended up shipping it through UPS. I just felt like it was better than the mail. I feel like I don't know, they both might be rough, but I put insurance on it too, so hopefully it makes it's not going far. So yeah, so Dani will be here. I'm so excited. I do have to work, unfortunately. There is some orders that I didn't get done. Number one, I'm waiting for aprons to arrive, which I don't know why they didn't arrive today. I'm gonna have to track them. And then the ribbon. So I'm gonna cut the tulle when I get home. That way I'll have the tulle ready to go, and then I can make that ribbon trim. I made the hair bow and the shirt that goes with it already. No, hi.
Just pouring down.
What do you say?
Thank you.
And this is for Journey. So that's Merry Christmas in February, because Aunt Dani's not with it. See, those are the best gifts that come late. This is Merry Christmas to you. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. You're welcome.
What is this?
And this is Merry Christmas to you. Thank you. You're welcome. I'm so sorry. Are we gonna match? Yes. Of course we are. And then in my I'm so excited. They look so cozy. Windy. It's a bit windy.
In case I need it, okay, Mom?
You got your purse?
Yeah, in case I need it,
Here we go. We're at Hobby Lobby. Are we gonna shop till we drop? Yes.
My hair.
I'm pretty sure fabric's on sale.
My hair is blowing the wind.
Your hair is blowing in the wind. She's like the wind through my trees.
I know you have questions, I don't have answers, clearly no manners, baby. I know you want it better, putting on the pressure, 'cause pressure's gonna get the very best of me. I give a little something, doesn't come for free. Oh, I know you have questions.
What are we doing? Diamond painting. We are prepping. Yes, I don't even know where. This is what Pam and I are doing. Oh, you got it. Cow. Moo cow. And Sterling's got a cat. It's over there. She got a boober cat. So I should say that I call the cat Boober. Did you say booby? I said Boober. You said booby. Boober. I keep leaving like one behind. I just pick that out. Where are we gonna eat at? I don't care. You know what we could do? We could go to Walmart and get like pizzas to cook here. I don't know how I feel about that. Oh, my belly got in the way. Stretch. I'm filming you. You are? Yeah. I just talked about how my belly got in the way. I'll say my beep got in the way. That makes this hours. Your beep. Alright. Sterling's like, you should do a vlog and like After every other word, just like beep it out.
see how it goes.
People think you're like beep, beep, and my beep machine beep.
My beeping machine. My machine beeps all the time.
What? Hey guys, it's Friday night dinner. So we're going out to eat at the Mexican restaurant we ate at a few weeks ago. It's Friday night dinner.
Get some Mexican food. Got my list. Holy mackerel, it is freezing. These leggings are not enough for life. Not for Florida girls. Not for Florida girls.
It's like 30. What was it? 30?
34? Something crazy. I need to start coming in the summer. We're gonna have to get
Take a picture of these for Marley. Okay. Wait, go ahead. It's so good. Wait. 1, 2, 3. This is Dani at Walmart.
I see so many things.
I see so many things.
I bought all of this that they had.
Our matching jams.
Merry Christmas to us.
We got some.
We're gonna do some snickles. Bump, bump, bump. We gotta be careful, we're on YouTube, we don't want to get smacked. Oh. Thanks.
You need a fork
For my pickles.
You might need a napkin.
I don't know if now's the best time to do this or not. Whew, it is feeling a lot better though.
You get the top part.
Oh, there's 2 of them.
Just take it. A little bit of snickle, and a little bit of pickle.
Oh, there's 2 left, one for each of us. Ooh. So you just take a bite of each?
Yeah. Or you can bite them together, whatever you want.
Why is that good? That makes no sense.
It's like a little bit sweet and salty at the same time, or sour. I don't know.
And it shouldn't be tasty.
I know.
Unless we're pregnant.
No.
No babies here. That should not taste that good. Sterling, you want a snicker? A snickle?
She wouldn't try it.
Journey, you want a snickle? She thinks she needs a band-aid for her foot.
Oh, she might.
Yeah. I'm gonna show Terry this vlog. He's gonna be like, y'all are disgusting. It's so good. This should not be good. Nothing about this is okay.
Well,
I'm gonna have to save the rest of my Snickers for later.
not me. Not ours.
I can't.
I love my small buggy.
She loves her small buggy.
Oh, that's good.
It doesn't roll on the carpet.
I just can't eat anymore.
How is it the world? Those are rolling.
What are they?
Hi, Wiener. Winner, winner, chicken dinner.
Yeah.
Winnie, you want some more?
You want to get
You want some more catnip? Winnie, want some catnip?
I'll give her some.
Let's give it to her together.
Okay. I'm gonna get some to Boo. You get some to. Thanks for watching. Hey, tomorrow.